SOL Strategies takes Wall Street. First SOL-focused firm wins Nasdaq listing approval. Nasdaq. SOL Strategies. Solana. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan. A cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism. Brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 11 hours ago. SOL Strategies Incorporated, a Canadian company dedicated to investing in and providing infrastructure for the Solana blockchain, has secured approval to list its common shares on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. The company confirmed the news this week, marking it as the first Solana-focused public firm to achieve a U.S. listing. Trading is scheduled to begin on September 9, 2025, under the ticker symbol STKE. Until then, the company's shares will continue to trade on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol HODL. Once Nasdaq trading begins, its stock will no longer appear on the OTCQB venture market, where it currently trades under the symbol CYFRF. Shareholders on the OTCQB do not need to take action, as their holdings will automatically convert to the Nasdaq listing. SOL Strategies to begin Nasdaq trading under STKE on September 9th. The listing, still subject to the company's Form 40F registration statement becoming effective with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, represents a milestone in bringing Solana-focused infrastructure to regulated American capital markets. Chief Executive Officer Leah Wald described the approval as validation not just for the company, but for Solana's broader ecosystem. Joining Nasdaq aligns us with the world's most innovative technology companies and positions us to attract the institutional investors who recognize the transformative potential of Solana's infrastructure, Wald said. She added that the listing would give shareholders greater liquidity and provide the company with access to deeper capital markets as it scales validator operations and expands investments. The approval follows a series of moves by SOL Strategies to align with Nasdaq requirements. In July, the company consolidated its shares on a 1-for-8 basis, reducing its total outstanding shares from more than 176 million to about 22 million. The consolidation was designed to meet Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirements and resulted in proportionate adjustments to the firm's stock options, warrants, and convertible securities. SOL Strategies rebranded from Cypherpunk Holdings in September 2024, shifting its focus entirely to Solana, a blockchain known for high transaction speeds and low costs. Since then, the firm has intensified its Solana acquisition strategy, reporting 254,380 SOL staked by mid-2025, roughly half of which came from third-party delegators. By June 2025, filings revealed that the company held over 420,000 SOL, positioning it as one of the more prominent institutional holders of Solana's native token. Nasdaq approval strengthens SOL Strategies' role in Solana's institutional growth. The company currently has 22 million common shares outstanding, alongside 12 million warrants and 5.3 million stock options. Following the consolidation, the capital structure remains active, with potential for further expansion as investor demand grows under a U.S. listing. As a Canadian-domiciled firm, SOL Strategies qualifies as a foreign private issuer under SEC rules. This status exempts it from certain U.S. regulatory requirements, such as proxy solicitation rules and Section 16 filings. The company plans to continue operating under Canadian governance standards, which do not require a majority of independent directors or separate nominating and compensation committees. The Nasdaq debut is expected to accelerate validator growth through institutional partnerships, enhance operational scalability as demand for Solana staking rises, and strengthen the company's position as an institutional gateway to the Solana ecosystem. SOL Strategies first filed its Nasdaq application in December 2024, submitting a registration statement with the SEC. The Listing Qualifications Department of Nasdaq then began reviewing the application for compliance with exchange standards. The company framed the application as a key step in attracting institutional capital and broadening its reach into U.S. markets. With approval now secured, the company is set to open trading on one of the world's most prominent exchanges, offering U.S. investors regulated exposure to Solana infrastructure for the first time. SOL Strategies emerges as key gateway for institutional Solana holdings. SOL Strategies reported a milestone in August with over $1 billion Canadian worth of Solana delegated to its validators. As of August 31st, the company managed 3.62 million SOL under delegation, including 402,623 SOL from its own treasury, valued at about 111.7 million Canadian dollars. A record 8,812 unique wallets are now staking with the firm, showing growing retail and institutional participation in its validator operations. CEO Leah Wald said the achievement reflects the increasing scale of our operations and confidence in Solana's ecosystem. The company also advanced open-source failover technology and is participating in upcoming Solana upgrades, including SIMD 326, Alpenglow Consensus, and the block auction marketplace. Partnership growth remains central. The company's white-label validator service for Solana mobile Seeker device attracted more than 3,200 wallets within a month of launch, despite devices not yet reaching most of the 150,000 pre-order customers. Meanwhile, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest moved 3.6 million SOL, worth roughly 888 million Canadian dollars, to SOL Strategies infrastructure in July, calling it a validation of the firm's institutional capabilities. Elsewhere, major players are committing billions toward Solana reserves. Galaxy Digital, Jump Crypto, and Multicoin Capital are reportedly raising $1 billion to establish a corporate treasury vehicle, while Sharps Technology announced a $400 million financing to build what it described as the world's largest Solana treasury. DeFi Development Corporation has also doubled its holdings to more than 2 million SOL following recent purchases. The developments position SOL Strategies as one of the leading institutional gateways to Solana, with 8.887 million SOL now held through public entities, representing nearly 1.55% of the token's circulating supply. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. New ChatGPT AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Ethereum and Picoin by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. $700 million whale transfer shocks community. Is Wall Street quietly buying? Why is crypto down today? September 4, 2025. Price analysis. Crypto price prediction today, September 4. XRP, Picoin, Dogecoin. 1 day ago. By Simon Chandler. Industry Talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for September 4, 2025. Bitcoin steadies at $112,000. ETH tops $4,400 as traders brace for September slump. 2 days ago. By Jai Pratap. Price analysis. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, World Liberty Financial and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. 2 days ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 20 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 22 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 22 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 22 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 22 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 hour ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.